get started.
Hello and welcome to another episode of Inside All In. Today I'm going to discuss how you can enhance the appeal of your lessons with All in Fifth Ano. With All in Fifth Ano, each teacher receives an extensive array of teaching materials to complement the course book. 15 large format posters, over 200 big size flashcards, a sticker book with 560 stickers, 3 achievement stamps, classroom instruction paddles, and 4 oversized board games. So how can we employ these materials in teacher-oriented approach? As we know, picture flashcards assist students in learning and memorizing new English vocabulary more effectively through the repetition and visual aids. But to make your lessons highly engaging, consider utilizing WebQuest cards. Students develop digital literacy skills and effectively use technology for the language learning process, thereby increasing student motivation, leading to meaningful language learning outcomes. Let's delve into WebQuest Card 1, Greetings. Here, students are tasked with exploring various ways to greet others in English. Now let's consider another scenario. Imagine there's a new immigrant student in the class who has never encountered English before, a situation becoming increasingly common in our classroom. In this case, we can employ mediation cards, enabling mainstream students to interact with the new immigrant students, facilitating the transfer of information or meaning from one language to another, and thus fostering inclusion. If you wish to break the routine in your lesson, nothing beats a contextualized board game that revisits vocabulary and grammar structures learned in the lesson. This is sure to be a hit amongst your students. Divide the class into groups and let them delve into the module's contents. Apart from the physical board games, we also offer them in digital format in the teacher's interactive ebook and in Sala Digital, allowing the entire class to play simultaneously. And that concludes another episode of Inside All In. Don't forget to explore all the resources available in the All in Fifth Ano project, whether on our website or in the All in Fifth Ano sample pack sent to your schools. All the necessary links for further information can be found below. Looking forward to seeing you on the next episode of Inside All in Fifth Ano.